Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cara Dunaway and I'm coming back at you guys with another IPSY video. And today we are going to be unboxing, or I guess unbagging, September's IPSY bags. And here they are, Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus, so cute. And I got mostly makeup items to try this month, so I'm really excited to do that. If you guys are into unboxings, makeup try-on videos, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. And also, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. So this month I got the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, and we're gonna start out with the bags. So cute. I love this like iridescent bag for the Glam Bag, so cute. I don't necessarily love when the zippers come in the front like this. I much prefer a zipper on the top, but still really cute and will definitely get use. And here's September's Glam Bag Plus. This bag's really cute. It says you got this on the front. I love the purple color, very girly, very fun, but it's not the bags that matter, it's what's inside. So let's get into that. So before I go in and try the makeup, I'm going to show you all the non-makeup items that I got since I won't be using them in this video. So we'll start with the non-makeup items from the Glam Bag. And the first thing I got here is from the brand Hemp's. This is the Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Butter. I love this brand. I love their scents of their lotions. They smell so good. And this is a nice sized bottle for the Glam Bag, so I'm really happy to have this. I'm gonna smell it with you guys for the first time because I haven't done that yet. Let me just peel this off, and they always explode on me. Oh, it didn't this time. Okay, so like I said, this is Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. I'm actually just gonna try some of this. Oh, it does smell really good. Oh yes, I really like that. Next non-makeup item I got is from the brand Marine. This is their Serum Cleanser, and it looks like it's just a facial cleanser. It says it also will remove makeup, so that's a great thing. I love getting these kind of things in my IPSY bags because I love to use them for travel. I have a bag that I just stick all these like travel size lotions or cleansers or shower gels, things like that in, and I just take them with me when I travel. So this is really nice. And then last non-makeup item from the Glam Bag is from the brand Gold Fade and MD. I've gotten a lot of their stuff through IPSY and really enjoy the brand. This is the Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate, which I need. The dark circles on my eyes are no joke. So I'm excited to try this and see if it actually does anything to help minimize the darkness on my under eyes. But yeah, great brand, great products. Then jumping into the Glam Bag Plus, there was only one item that was not makeup related, and this is skincare. It's from the brand BU. This is the Caffeine Eye Cream, and it's supposed to firm and brighten. I love getting eye creams. I don't know that they necessarily do anything for me, but it's still the experience. I still like putting them on, and I like to hydrate my eyes because they get super dry, especially this time of year. And it says it's supposed to energize and brighten under and around the eye for a well-rested look, which we all know I need that as well. And here's what the product looks like. It's also a really nice sized tube. I feel like this is gonna last a long time, especially since you only need a little bit for around the eyes. But yeah, I love trying out new eye products, and we'll see if this does anything for me. All right, now that we got the non-makeup items out of the way, let's just jump into the makeup. And I'm really excited to try out some new products today. I'm gonna start with the eyes because I do have a new eyeshadow palette to try out. I just went in and primed my eyes with some concealer, and let's jump into the eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand Ciate London, and this is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette, and it's in the shade Color Story Cranberry, I guess you would say. I have another eyeshadow palette from this brand that's the same, just a different color story. And when I first opened it, was not very excited about it. Kind of felt the same way about this one. But once I tried the other one, I really liked the shadows. They're really pretty. They're shimmery, they're blendable, really nice. So I'm excited to try this one. Here is what the palette looks like. So it's nothing like crazy exciting. It does look really pretty, especially this shade here, which kind of has the marbly look to it. So we're just gonna jump in and see what we can create today. And in my Glam Bag, I did get a new makeup brush. So I'm gonna be using this. This is from the brand Firma, and this is the 204 brush. It's kind of a more flat, fluffy blending brush, which would be really good for like getting in the crease with the eyeshadows. So we're gonna try this out. I love this brand. I've received a handful of brushes from them through IPSY, and I use them all very regularly. So I really like their brushes. And what I'm gonna do to start, I'm probably just gonna take some of this middle shade here, and I'm gonna use that in the crease. So I'm just gonna start by just packing this first. And then I'm just gonna swipe it back and forth. And then I'm just gonna build this up as I go. It's a really nice neutral transition shade, so I like that. And so far, it's blending nicely. I'm gonna kind of sweep it out here on the outer corner. Okay, that's like the perfect transition shade for me. And it blended out super nicely, and I like this brush as well. It's more of a dense brush, so it's better for like packing on the color than it is for like blending it out, but still it worked really nicely. And yeah, that's where we're at so far. All right, I'm just gonna mess around with some of these shades and see what look we can come up with. All right, so here's where we're at with the eyes. And so far, this palette actually is really, really nice. The mattes are really pigmented, really blendable, really smooth. I really like that. And the shimmers are like so buttery. This one picked up really good with the brush and applied really well with the brush. This one did not work so well with the brush, and obviously used my finger for that. And then I wanted to try another shade in here, so I picked up this gold, which was really, really pretty as well. I'll use it to finish off the lower lash line when I get to that point, but so far this is a really pretty palette, and I quite like these shades, especially for fall. And like I said, it's not a palette that really like excites me when I open it, but when I use it, it is really, really nice. So I really, really like this. Okay, next I'm gonna put on some foundation, but I did get a new primer to try out. This is from the brand Cover FX. This is the gripping primer, and gripping primers are really nice for making your skin a little tacky so that the foundation really sticks to your face and lasts a long time. So here's what the product looks like, and let's see what the actual product looks like. So this primer says it has a unique jelly texture that creates a smooth glass-like finish on the skin and grips makeup for flawless application and long wear. And it's perfect for all skin types. So I have really dry skin, so I'm interested to see how this applies. Yeah, it is just like a jelly, and it has like a weird smell to it. Not a good smell. It's not going on smoothly, but I can tell it's very, very tacky, as you can see. Like really, really tacky. But it is making me look pretty hydrated, which I like. And for foundation today, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. So we're gonna see how this sits on that primer. I'm gonna take my sponge and blend this out. I think my sponge is a little bit too wet. Wow, it feels really, really wet. I thought I got most of the water out of it, but apparently not. Here's what it looks like with the foundation blended out. It's still giving me like a glowy, dewy, hydrated finish, which I really like. And I do feel like the foundation is on there good. I probably should have tried a more like medium to full coverage foundation for this primer, but I don't know, I just reached for that other one. So yeah, I mean, I like how it looks though. I think it looks really nice, and I'm interested to see how it wears the rest of the day. If anything crazy happens, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I mean, so far I like the primer. I'm gonna go complete the next few steps in my makeup routine, and then I will come back to try out some other products. All right, I am back to try out the last few products, and you guys, I have to say, I am loving how this is looking so far. I am actually really liking every single product I've tried so far. And the next product I'm really, really excited about, and you can't see what it is from this box, but this is from the brand Natasha Denona, which is a really, really nice high-end brand, and I love her eyeshadow palettes. I have not tried anything else from her, but I have the Cupid Cheek Duo, and this is a cream blush and highlighter, and here's what it looks like. So pretty. I'm so excited to try this. I'm probably just gonna take some of the blush on my finger and apply that. Ooh, that's so like pretty yet like subtle, and it's got like some glow to it as well. Okay, that is seriously so pretty, and it's so, like I said, just kind of mild on my skin tone. I am in love. Look at that glow as well. Okay, yeah, I'm obsessed with that cream blush. It's really, really pretty. Before I go in and use the highlighter in there, I'm gonna set that cream blush with this powder blush. This one's just from Wet n Wild. I'm just taking a little bit because I don't wanna lose the glow. And just for reference, this Wet n Wild blush is in the shade Mellow Wine. This is one of my favorites and so affordable. Okay, now let's go into this highlighter. Okay, I really like that because it's not like too overpowering. It's just adding to the glow that I already had from that cream blush. Oh, so pretty. I love Natasha Denona products. They're so, so good. Pricey, but good. And I tell you guys, that's a reason why I love IPSY, is because I probably would never just go out and purchase this product by itself because a lot of the stuff is really pricey. But through IPSY, you can try out so many awesome products for way cheaper, and I love it. Okay, let me just set this and then we'll try the last two products, which are lip products. Wow, that was just a water hose to the face. All right, for the last two products, like I said, they're lip products, and I have a lip liner and a lipstick, and I'm a little nervous because these are shades that are like completely out of my comfort zone, but that also makes me a little bit excited. So the lip liner I have is from the brand Cali C, I think is how you say it. This is their smooth gel lip liner in the shade Spiced. Then I also have this lipstick from the brand Complex Culture. This is the Pout Clout lipstick, and it's a plumping lip color. This one's in the shade Legend. And I know these two lip products are probably not gonna go together because the lip liner is like a brown and the lipstick is like a more berry toned. But we're just gonna try them together anyway and see how they go. So like I said, I typically do not go for these kind of tones. I'm like a lighter, like pinky nude kind of lipstick girl, but we're gonna try it out because I have them, and we're gonna go a little out of our comfort zone today. So I'm just gonna line the lips. This honestly looks more like mauve-y pinky tone than it does brown, which is kind of interesting. So that is a really pretty shade and totally not the shade I was thinking it was gonna be. Maybe to you guys it might look similar, but on the lips, it definitely looks more like pinky red, and this on the pencil itself looks brown, but I don't know, it's really pretty. Let's add the lipstick. So I'm a little nervous about this. Okay, it's actually not as dark putting it on as I thought it would be. Okay, that's actually really pretty. And it actually goes really nicely with the eye look that I did as well. So maybe I need to play with these shades more often. I don't know. It's perfect for fall. Like, this whole look is just totally fall vibes. I really, really like it. That's all the products I got this month for IPSY, and I'm gonna say like 10 out of 10, at least so far what I've tried. I didn't obviously try the non-makeup items except the lotion, which was really good, but all the makeup products, really, really good. So I'm really excited to have these now in my collection and play with them a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you join me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.